Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Oracle Love Light. So today, you guys, I'm not really all that hungry. It is about like 1:30. I don't know why or what's going on with me, but I just really don't have a taste for nothing. Maybe I ate all the food that there is or something. I don't know. But anyway, y'all, I am just going to be cutting me up this beef steak again. This is the second pack that I had when I had brought that steak before, when I made the pepper steak. This is pack number 2. So I just need to use this because I thought I was going to use 2 packs when I made the pepper steak, but I didn't. I am going to season this basic. Excuse me, you guys. So with onion powder, Italian seasoning, parsley, a little bit of salt and pepper, and red pepper. I'm also going to add garlic to it as well because I'm going to put some butter in the pan with the steak, and I wanted to have that garlic buttery taste. So I'm going to be adding more garlic and more garlic and more garlic. Anyway, go ahead and watch, and I will come back.
Afternoon on a train. I only took it because it started to rain. Afternoon in the fall. This weather always makes me think about it all. The woman across me, she's wearing a trench coat, a bouquet of roses. I wonder what they're for. A candlelit dinner, a date in the park, a night at the theater, or love in the dark. I don't know where she's going, I don't even know her name. I don't know if her life has been a breeze or a hurricane. I don't know if he loves her or if loving him is pain. But I do know that our fates have intertwined for a moment on a train. Almost at the downtown stop. I'm already late, but I don't wanna get up. Outside the city's painted gray.
All right, you guys, so this was so good. I did not even make anything else with this. I was supposed to be making like some eggs with it and kind of, I don't know, put it in like a burrito. And then I thought like maybe I can just put it in a burrito by itself. But this was so good. This was so good. I was like, I'm just going to eat it just like this. And that's exactly what I did. So here is my snack for today. I had this, and I found a 0 sugar Mountain Dew. I haven't seen that, so I wanted to try that. So that's what I got, a 0 sugar Mountain Dew. And I also went to a Dollar General because I ran out of my bars. So I went there and got me a bar, got me 2 packs of Tic Tacs, and got me some Celsius water. Y'all, my bars are not on sale anymore. They back to $7. They back to $7. So I know that seemed like a lot. So what I do is I just chalk it up as 1 bar is like $1 and maybe 50 cents because it's 5 bars in a box. So you're not paying no more than $1.50. So it's like, okay, all right. Sort of like a Snickers bar, candy bar. All right, you guys. So for dinner, I am going to be making just a different version of stuffed peppers, which I probably should have used the steak for this because this probably would have turned out really well with the steak and cheese, like almost again pepper steak, but I wasn't thinking. So I'm just going to be chopping up some onions, some mushroom, and some peppers, and I'm going to be adding it to some ground turkey. Well, you'll see. Go ahead, get back into the video, and then I'll come back when it's done.
I really just bought Sims. It was on sale for $9.99. Man, what a weird sign of the times. Need to keep busy, trying to eat the hours away. Who knew that I like Milky Way? Wake up, I'm ready to go, yeah. Feeling so good in control, yeah. And think of the places I could be, so I give up and watch TV. I think I'm going crazy, pacing around my room. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. The world is upside down and I'm turning inside out.
So for the pepper, you guys, after we clean it out, we are going to bake this in the oven while we cook our meat on 350 for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes or until your meat is done. And then we're going to pop the meat inside and pop it back in.
Tell me that it gets better being alone together. Sit by the window, catching the sun and tracing clouds. I can't believe I'm missing crowds. Time moving so slow.
All right, y'all, for the seasonings, we're gonna go in with the OGs. We are just gonna do Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, and a little bit of red pepper. And then we're gonna give this a good mix, and we're gonna be ready to stuff our peppers. So you guys, I'm going to put pepper jack cheese on the peppers, but I really wish I'd have put the meat in it first, then put some pepper jack cheese, then put some more meat on top, and then put the provolone cheese. I think that would have came out better. Maybe next time I'll do it that way. Alright, you guys, so now we are going to put the provolone cheese on top, and then we're going to pop it back in the oven on 350 until for about like maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and then we are going to take it out and I'll show you what it looks like. So here is what everything looks like. This was pretty good, but this is not my kind of meal. I think the next time I cook this, I'm going to, one, let the peppers cook a little bit longer so they can get much softer for me because I like them to be soft. And then two, I'm going to place the cheese in the middle of the ground turkey versus on top of the peppers. I think I'm going to do it that way next time. But it was pretty good. It was pretty good. As you can see, it's nice and cheesy. All right, you guys. So we are coming to the end of this video. If you made it this far, please consider subscribing. Those who are already subscribed, thank you for your support. Thank you for sharing this journey with me. So today was 1,356 calories and was 12 net carbs. That is going to be the end of this video, you guys. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.